Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclasses. My name is Luke, and I'm going to be giving the second of 3 sessions on modeling Unplugged. That's all about how we can shape the space in our classrooms to accommodate non-linear teaching and learning experiences alongside the linear syllabus. I'll be reviewing some of the thoughts that we explored in the last session, which is all about that dual process of following a course book, following a syllabus, and opening the classroom space for spontaneous, organic interaction. I'll also be sharing some activities which tend to work for me. They're really activity types. It's about thinking about activities which are not about telling students what bits of language to use, but are about giving students something interesting to talk about, interact with, and then listening to the language that comes out of that, the emergent language. And we'll be thinking a little bit more about how, if we control learning too closely in the classroom, we're not really preparing our students for real-life language use. So, hope you'll join me and look forward to seeing you there.